The motorcycle trip had three main obstacles. The first was leaving on the trip. The second is the Darien Gap, a stretch of 90 miles of dense jungle from Panama to Colombia that is impassable and has no road. We decided to take our motorcycles along with a van of an Aussie guy named Sam that we met in Costa Rica and take them to the port of Colón in Panama and ship them via a cargo container ship to the city of Cartagena in Colombia. We decided in Costa Rica with the two Washington boys, Mark and Matt, and Sam, the Aussie with the van, that we were going to book a cargo ship and we were going to put all of our vehicles inside a cargo container and ship it over to Cartagena and find our way over later. The process is very involved. It requires a lot of paperwork, meetings, inspections, and anytime you do paperwork in Central America, it's very slow. Sending our motorcycles via the cargo ship was probably the toughest option we had. Speaking to the port authority, immigration, customs, and our broken Spanish didn't help either. Lucky for us, there was always someone around who could lend a hand, give some guidance, and or speak some Spanish for us.
We're looking for 22B S-Day to the left. Within 100 meters. Yeah, 22 meters to the left.
Okay guys, the motorcycles are gone.
My baby's gone.
How do we feel?
I'm sad. Heartbroken.
Mi furiosa no está aquí.
No, sir.